So, those of you guys who know me know that snow skiing is my absolute passion. I'm not saying I'm the greatest at it, but I love it with my whole soul. So, this week, when I saw one of the people that I admire the most in the sport, Lindsey Vonn, have an absolutely catastrophic wipeout, it hit hard. It was horrible to watch because I know how hard she's fought to come back to the sport and to be able to compete on a global level. And then to watch it all unfold and to see her in a hospital bed, it was just devastating. It was awful. But I read something by James Clear that was so perfect for this moment. He says, success is endurance in disguise. And I thought, what a perfect message for you and I out here living our lives, running our businesses. And so many times we feel like we maybe are falling down in one area or another. And yet there are lessons all around us about endurance, about having the courage to keep trying, about having the courage to fail, even publicly, and get up and keep going. So that's my message of encouragement. I hope it helps you. If you're struggling this week, if you stumbled this week, let's take a moment and put it into perspective. If the greatest athletes in the world can fall and yet rise again, maybe we can too.